With every heartbeat, we're ready to go. Through valleys of doubt and mountains of fear, we'll carve our own path with our vision clear. The stars are our guide, the moonlight our song. In this journey together, we've been here all along. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find a way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. As the dawn breaks gently, painting the sky, we'll capture each moment, let our spirits fly. With every sunrise, a new chapter begins. In the canvas of life, we'll find where love wins. Through trials and triumphs, we'll write our own fate. With the fire of our passion, we'll never be late. In the dance of the cosmos, we'll twirl a spin. With every heartbeat, we'll feel the rush within. So take my hand, let's chase the unknown. With courage as our compass, we'll find our way home. In the silence of the night, our hearts will ignite. We'll dance in the shadows, we'll soar into the light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies. And when the night falls and the world feels cold, we'll light up the darkness with a love so bold. With every heartbeat, we'll shatter the chains. In the light of our love, nothing remains. Through the silence and chaos, we'll rise above. In the depths of our souls, we'll find our love. With dreams intertwined but stars in the night, we'll chase our forever until the morning light. We're reaching for the heavens beyond the horizon. With dreams as our wings, we're ready to rise. Through storms and through fire, we'll never back down. Together we'll conquer, we'll wear our crowns. In the echoes of our laughter, in the depth of our cries, we'll find our forever as time flies by. With hope in our hearts and love in our eyes, we'll chase the horizon under endless skies.
Late night city, neon glow, heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas, painted bright, bright. We're dancing shadows, lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown. Feel the magic spinning around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past. In this electric moment, we'll make it last. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, with every laugh we'll set the stage. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. The music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd, you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos, we'll always stay. With every glance, a spark the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, with every laugh we'll set the stage. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. When the world gets heavy and shadows form, we'll rise together, we'll never stop. With every heartbeat we're breaking through. This is our anthem, me and you. So let's light the night with colors so bold. With every story together we'll unfold. No limits here, just endless skies. And this electric love will always rise. We'll live the dreams, we will thrive. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams, we will thrive. So here we are under the stars. This love's a journey, it's written in the bars. With every heartbeat we'll break the night. In electric dreams everything feels right. Forever we'll dance, forever we'll glow. In this electric world we'll let it flow. We're living in electric dreams, together forever, or so it seems.
In the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In this symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. But we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbound. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories, the stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we've learned. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world made shine.
Late night city, neon glow. Heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas, painted bright, bright. We're dancing shadows, lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown.